So the first thing I would like you guys to do is go to the Burke County homepage and go to class link. And once you get the class link, we are going to find Explore Learning. And then we will, so once you click on that, we'll all do it together. We'll click on Explore Learning. We'll get to I have a lot of classes, but you won't. You want to click on your first period, fall, and we only have one lab up so far. Make things easy. And we'll click through that, and we get to the density laboratory, and we are going to launch our Gizmo. So it should look like this. Sweet, we're getting there. Very nice. Okay, so this is our laboratory. We have a mass scale in grams, and we have a graduated cylinder. So the mass scale measures mass. Graduated cylinder, we are measuring volume. And today, our liquid in there is water. Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter. That's an important thing to know, that's water. We can make a denser liquid, but today we're just sticking with water. One of the things we're going to determine is we're going to observe density and observe the difference between sinkers and floaters. So I'm going to take an example, this crown, and I'm going to put it on the scale, and that's the mass. I take the crown, and you guys know from your learning how to measure the volume of an irregular shaped object, you read the initial volume, 400 milliliters. We place the object in. It goes up to 465 milliliters. So the volume of this object is the difference between the initial level and the final. And they're all going to sink in here because this pin's holding it down. So the volume is 465. Then you're going to later on check to see, you put it in the beaker to see if it sinks or floats. And this is definitely a sinker. Nice. Let me see, I don't know if there's floaters. Nope. I'm not sure which ones are floaters and sinkers. There's a floater. Okay. So you notice, in order to actually get the volume, it's got to be submerged, and that's why we have this pin. So this is your lab. So now let's go to where we're going to work on it. You need to go to 2.25, Gizmo's Density Lab. So you need to open a new tab. You'll be working on the lab and filling out. I know this is a little complicated, but since it's all virtual, that's the way it's gotta be. So open up a new tab and go. So here we are in the Gizmo's lab. It is a task card, and it's kind of hard to write in. You can open it in a new tab, but only open it once. And you open it in a new tab by clicking right here. So just try this, I'm going to show you. So you open it in a new tab. And now you have a nice big, so when you are here, when you type in here, let's say I just type ... 111. If you look back at the assignment and scroll down, that's in there. Don't open up a new assignment. Don't click on this again. You have an open window, and it's here in the assignment. So you can do all your work here. Once you've done your work, go back to the assignment, check to make sure your work's in there, and then you submit. And that's how you submit an assignment here. And I'll bring up a picture of it in a moment. I do have one. So what you guys will do is you're going to measure the mass and volume of at least 6 objects, and then say whether they sink or float, and then you're going to answer the questions.